Step 1.
Check if the shower threshold is level using a spirit level or straight edge. If necessary, adjust the threshold until it is perfectly level.
Step 2.
Use the positioning tool to mark the drilling points.
Step 3.
Drill a hole with a 6mm drill bit, insert a wall anchor, and secure the aluminum profile with a round head screw. Repeat steps 2 and 3 on the right side.
Step 4.
Install the top and bottom plastic pivot adapters onto the glass door. Then attach the top and bottom zinc alloy pivot bases, and secure them with 430mm flathead screws.
Step 5.
Engage the glass door with installed pivot bases onto the wall-mounted aluminum profile.
Step 6.
Install stainless steel hinges and handles.
Step 7.
Adjust the glass door alignment, then install the bottom water guide.
Step 8.
Install the magnetic strip aluminum channel and the magnetic strip.
Step 9.
Install the water stop strip and remove the excess part.
Step 10.
Apply silicone sealant and allow 24 hours for it to fully cure before using the shower.